Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Usually how this works is we take a request from our customers. They let us know what area they need help designing, their budget, the collection they're interested in. They drop pictures. But today we decided to recreate our install from the from our fall winter lookbook featuring the Audrey Collection. Here is the picture of the install from the lookbook.
Yes.
And we're going to show you how to do that today.
Yes. So the products that you will need to recreate this look are 3 of our Audrey Floral runners, 2 of our Audrey Swags, 2 of our Vaseless Audrey Centerpieces, 2 of our Audrey Grand Centerpieces, 1 of our Floral Meadows. And for the candles, you don't have to use this exact one, but we have these new candles, which are our glass pillar candles. We used 2 of the medium size, 2 of the small size, and 2 of the large. So they come in a set of 6 each. So we just used 2 from each set. And that was basically it. And zip ties.
Yeah. Tools are just zip ties.
Yeah.
And we have our arch here. It's linked in our Amazon storefront, but you can, of course, use any arch that you have picked out or the venue provides for you.
Yeah.
All right, now let's get into it. All right, first thing we're going to start with is the runner. It's a new product of ours. It comes with 3 Velcro straps. Comes with 3 Velcro straps to attach to any structure you may be using. They're adjustable, and so we're just gonna Velcro strap them onto the arch.
We are gonna attach it to the bottom half of the arch, not all the way to the ground, but next we have these swags that we're going to also add to the arch to fill in these spaces right here, because another runner will go at the top. Swags have a cage and 4 points where you can put zip ties. These are little wire hooks, so the best way that we have found to connect these is to feed the zip tie through the hooks before and then attach it to the arch like that. Okay, we are putting it
the final runner goes to the top.
Now we
move some things around.
Next, we're gonna go ahead for the top of the table. Top of the table.
Okay. Vaseless centerpieces.
Yes.
And these are also a new product that we launched a few weeks ago. And they just sit flat on the table.
Turn yours around.
Yeah. Okay. 3 little, so these are also a new product. There are glass pillar candles. They come in 3 sizes, large or tall, short, large, small,
medium.
Large, medium, small. Large, medium, small.
Then we're going to finish off the look with some florals at the bottom of the table.
I'll do a grand
On each side, and Abby's going to finish it off with
the Meadow. So this is also a new product we launched a few weeks ago. It is called the Floral Meadow. It is essentially a very large vaseless centerpiece. It's similar to the grand in size, but of course it doesn't have a vase to it. It sits flat. Also, a good difference to call out is that the grand centerpieces in the Audrey collection have a more rounded design, where the Meadow has more of like an organic free-flowing design. The Meadows do sit nicely on the stand, so if you just want like a more whimsical look or a more rounded look, you can get either one by going with the Meadows or the grand.
okay,
And here's the final look.
voila. And you and your partner can sit behind here, sweetheart table, or you can also use this as your arch.
Yeah, in the lookbook we showed how you can bring this ceremony arch from the ceremony to the reception by simply just putting it behind the sweetheart table. If you don't have a sweetheart table, you could use this as a photo op for your guests. They could be really cute, and just another way to use your arch because it's so pretty and you want to get the most use out of it for your day.
And then if you wanted to cover the bottom, you can definitely just move the grand centerpiece at the bottom of the arch, so you can cover that as well.
Yep. And there you have it, a Audrey ceremony arch repurposed in front of a sweetheart table, so you can bring your look from ceremony to reception, get some more use out of your products. Okay, so if you want to submit your own request, the form is below. Let us know where you need help with. Drop us your inspiration pictures, which are really helpful to this whole series. Let us know your budget. If you're not sure what collection you want, let us know your colors and we can give you some suggestions, but that is in the description below.
Yes, and we have a lot of exciting things coming out, so stay tuned for that. You can also join our Facebook group, which I will also link below. It is just a great group to be a part of. There's about 9,000 past, present, and future SBBlooms couples, so be sure to join that. And if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.